everybody, guys. A local area network LAN and the wide areas network WANs are two types of the computer network. But they are not the technographic scopes, speed, and the purpose of use. LAN local area network is a network that covers a small areas such as home, head office, or school. And this is officially fast with a full local control. But wide, which is a wide area network is a network that covers a large area such as a city, country, or multi-basic countries, and this is typically slower than LANs, but connect several local network together. But the main difference in the period of LAN is limited to small physical area room, building a small campus when extended over long distance, hundreds of thousands of kilometers to link many lands with each others. Each geographic scope land covers a small area from a few meters up to a few hundreds meters, such as a single building or office complex. But when it's covered a large geographic area, such as connecting company branches in the different cities or countries, speed and latency LAN high speed with low latency because devices are physically close, but when it generates slower with a high latency due to the long data and the more intermediate links. Device and the technology used. LAN uses switches, internet cables, or wireless access point. Well, it's within the small local area. One use routers and technologies such as Alice's lines, MPLC and VPN, or the public internet to contact network over long distance. Ownerships and costs. LAN ما خلاص يا عم ميتين اهلك انت ما خلاص يا عم
انا عارف انا بصراحه ما كنتش رد عليها
مش وقته يا عم
يا عم مش رد عليها يا عم ما تخافش
هتكون مصيبه تاخدكم انتوا الاثنين. Ownership and cost. And the land is usually owned and managed by one entity. Homes and the small company is relatively cheaper. One often requires pay a telecommunications line or ISP, which is internet server providers. So it is more expensive and harder to manage. It is a simple practical example. In your home, devices connected to router, PC, phone, TV, or from the LAN, the connections is from a router to LAN. The internet is via the ISP, the WANs. That's the end of the lecture. See you later.